College Chemistry Department. Today I am discussing about the topic Claisen rearrangement. Introduction. The Claisen rearrangement is an organic chemical reaction that offers a powerful method in the formation of carbon-carbon bonds. In 1912, the Claisen rearrangement is the first order example of 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement. And this Claisen rearrangement is discovered by Rainer Ludwig Claisen. The reactant of this reaction, allyl phenyl ether, is converted into a gamma delta unsaturated carbonyl compound when subjected to heat or Lewis acid. The Claisen rearrangement is an exothermic concerted pericyclic reaction. Woodward-Hoffmann rule shows a suprafacial stereospecific reaction pathway. The kinetics are of the first order and the whole transformation proceeds through a highly ordered cyclic transition state, and this is intramolecular in nature. So let's come to its structure. The substrate of Claisen rearrangement is allyl phenyl ether. So here this one is saturated atom, so this one is prefers always 1, this is 2 and this is 3, and here oxygen is sp3 hybridized and it's also a saturated atom, so it gets 1, it's 2 and it's 3. Here 3,3 sigmatropy rearrangement is occur and 1,1 bond is broken and 3,3 is combined together, and where there was a single bond before, after breaking the bond there was a double bonds occur. After heating we get that product. Here one hydrogen is present and first one is aromatic, and after the reaction we got that product, this is non-aromatic, so it gives lots of energy in this reaction to got that product. While having a chance to form aromatic system, this product is always wants to be quickly converted into aromatic system. So here hydrogen shift here and this bond is break here, and then after tautomerization we got that product. And this is the ortho product. Here another one possibility is, and that is that here saturated atom always prefers to 1, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. 1,1 bond is broken and 3,3 bond is combined together, and where there was a single bond there occurs, after bond breaking there occurs double bond, and then the final product is that, and here hydrogen shift to that position and this bond is shift to that and this bond is break there, and the final product is this is, and this is the para product. In ortho and para products comparison, ortho always prefers, because when the compound arrives at that stage it will wants to be aromatic, and that's why ortho product always comes out. And one thing, if I blocked ortho position, both two ortho position, then only para product is obtained. So here if we heat it, then the product is this is, and this is saturated atom, this always 1, this 2 and this 3, and here this always 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Here 3,3 sigmatropy is occurred because here no hydrogen is present, and that's why no tautomerism is not possible. And so 1,1 bond is broken and 3,3 bond is combined together, and that's why the product is here one hydrogen is present, and that's why this compound is wants to gain its aromaticity, and that's why hydrogen is shift to here and this bond is shift to here and this bond is broken, and the final product is and this is the final product. And the last thing is, if I blocked two ortho positions and para positions also, in this case no reactions occur. If this substrate is given with heat, then there will be no Claisen rearrangement or any other rearrangement, because if this substrate is given, then the first step of this reaction can be done. But there is no hydrogen present, so it cannot be aromatic anyway, and its driving force is that it has to be an aromatic system. Since it cannot be here, then there will be no reactions, or that substrate or reactant is more stable in comparison to product. That's why no reactions occur. Thank you.